this is a video. We have a new car. And I'm trying to find the latches. I've already found the latches. Right there, this is how to find latches in a Mosda 10. I mean a Mosda 2010. The latches right there. But I'm gonna need something to spread the fabric back. Hold up, guys. I need to ask my mom for some hangers because I can't get this. This fabric is so crazy. Oh, found it. I attached it. So I got one attached finally. It's so hot, I'm sweating from head to toe. Okay. And now I got one. Well, it's time to get the second one. The latches are the metal piece. I'm just using my fingers to push it back. For somebody like me, I have to feel the direction of where this latch right here is going in. Oh, almost got it. I got it. For this, you have to kind of press down on it. Sorry, the video's blurry. I have all my sweat dripping all over my phone. It's crazy. It's so hot in Tennessee. Oh, fuck. This thing was twisted. sorry. Okay. Okay. Got it. This should not be able to move like that. I need to set it up in a way that it only moves less than 1 inch. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pressing it down with my weight because when you set things up like this, they're only supposed to move less than 1 inch.
Okay. But
That's,
to fit everybody in here, I have to pull this seat up, so don't make it too tight, okay?
no, this should only be moving like that.
Yeah, I know.
Not like.
Yeah, I know. But I have to be able to move this seat up, or somebody in the back is not going to have much foot room.
How do you get it up? You can set it up easily. The seat.
Oh, okay.
Of how this is, just gonna. You're gonna need a little bit of elbow muscle. Where's that thing that sets the seat up?
Huh?
Where's the thing that sets the seat up?
Right here. Right here. Okay. Oh, cool.
There we go.
Oh, I didn't think it was like that. Where were they? Because I opened it up, I couldn't find it.
Here. So they were right here. Stick your finger in and feel that metal piece. Right in there. Wait till you feel metal.
Oh. Okay, we got down in there.
Yeah, that's the way it is with the other one, except for it's easier to get out. I had to pull